Hi guys, it's me Minato. Now we're going to take magic thing, very magic.
Very magic thing.
Yeah, you wait. Bye.
Bye.
I can go now.
Okay.
Cannot see, huh?
Okay. I just did something. Oh, what's that?
A drink, watermelon, Japanese.
Watermelon Japanese. Can I see? Wow, it's a watermelon drink.
Yes.
It says Suika cider.
Oh, okay.
Suika is watermelon in Japanese.
I know.
You know? It's a cider drink.
Can you help me open? It's too hot.
Okay, let's try to open.
Yes, it's very hot.
It looks like, wow, watermelon. It says product of Japan.
Okay, let's
Watermelon
drink.
soda.
Let's open.
Okay.
Okay, stop. Everyone, my mommy opened already. Let's open.
Smell like watermelon already.
How you know?
I can smell. It's so nice. Wow. You
Try.
like? Wow.
You try.
Okay, I try now.
Careful.
Oh, smells so
Drink.
yummy. Oh, really yummy.
I want to try it. I love it.
This is so nice. I've never tried this before.
I also.
You like?
Drink one more time.
How does it taste like?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Minato, it's dangerous. Don't touch.